Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I want to make sure that you know that there is Star Wars images in Cricut Design Space now. We've been waiting a long time for this. If you're a Star Wars fan, you're as excited as I am about this. And guess what? It's not too late to make your own May the 4th be with you shirt today, okay? Because Cricut has made it super simple for us to knock some shirts out real quick, or any other type of Star Wars project that you might want to make with these images. So on the screen, to find this in Design Space, you would go to Cartridges and search for Star Wars. Now the whole image set is what you see here. There's 13 images. It's $19.99 for the whole image set, or I believe you can purchase each individual image for $1.99. So you'll see that when you go into Design Space. So I have the whole set already. And all of our favorite characters are here, right? Lots of fun. And even this one that has the fight going on with the Star Wars in the background, super cool. But what I want to show you is that these images are designed differently than other images that we've had in the past, and they make it so easy for us to do some shirts fast. So I'm going to pick Leia because I really like Leia. And okay, so Leia comes in, looks great, and you look over here in the layers panel and it is a layered image, right? And it comes in already grouped, so we can ungroup it. Okay, so you have a top layer, you have a middle layer, and you have a bottom layer. Okay, so you could certainly cut this out of cardstock and be able to layer the images up and use this however you want. But if you look over here in the layers panel, now there are hidden images. Cricut was sneaky, and they have hidden some images that they made specifically for us to be able to layer vinyl. So I'm going to click this one, and because the little eye icon was turned off, so I just clicked it to open it up again. And so now you have this, which would be a vinyl, and you have a middle layer. Okay, and then if you wanted a background layer, you could just make a duplicate of the one from above if you wanted to do that. Okay, so this would be either your shirt color or it could be another layer of vinyl. And then let me just do this. And then this would be your next layer you would cut out of vinyl. So easily lay that on top of each other. And then this would be your final layer that you would apply to get your completed image. So isn't that cool? It's so neat that Cricut did this for us. Now, of course, I couldn't just leave it this way. I wanted to share with you how I did my project because I, of course, had to go off the path here and do something a little bit different. So I did not want the words Leia on mine. Okay, I wanted to do my own thing. So what I did was I went into the shapes over here and I just grabbed a square, and I'm going to take that square, I'm going to unlock it, and then I'm going to stretch it out. Doesn't matter how big it is. And I'm going to pull this down until I get that just like that. I'm going to click. I have this highlighted. I'm going to do Control and then click the background layer. And now over here in my layers panel on the bottom, my slice feature is available. So I'm going to slice. And now I have just Leia. Okay, so I don't have the word on there. So if you don't want the word, that's a way to do it. And then the next thing I did was I wanted to use a font and do my own writing for my shirt. And I went to DaFont. And in DaFont, you can search for it for Star Wars. So I searched for Star Wars, and it came up with these images in DaFont, which is a font site that I recommend for importing new fonts into Design Space. So they had Star Jedi and they had Death Star, so I downloaded both of those. And I have a separate video posted on my YouTube channel that shows you how to actually go into DaFont and download it and get it into your computer and get it into Design Space. So if you need help with that, go look there. But I downloaded the fonts, and then let me show you what I created. So I took that same image that I just sliced, and then I used, this is just the Cricut Sans font, and I just put don't mess with A, and then Princess, I did it in the new, the Death Star font that I downloaded. Okay, so I kind of created my own thing here, and I just wanted to give y'all some other possibilities for using the Star Wars images. I hope you enjoy this, and I will post a picture here in just a second for you to see my final shirt that I made. So here's the shirt that I made. I used the Cricut pink iron-on for the Don't Mess With, and then the silver iron-on foil for the Leia design, and I used the, it's a multi-glitter iron-on for the word princess. Tip, don't forget to mirror your iron-on, and this shirt went together super fast, and I used my Cricut Easy Press to adhere it, and I absolutely love it. Cannot wait to wear it. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment. Happy to answer any questions you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you do not already subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that you get a notification of when I post new videos, which I do weekly, and come join me over in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group or in my Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill group. Hope you have a great day, and may the 4th be with you.